Okay, so here we've got a 2023 plate BMW M3 competition, which we've added an insurance approved Thatcham category S5 plus vehicle tracking monitoring immobilisation system with driver ID. So the system has a driver ID card, unlike the S7, which is a lower category. So S7 tracking solutions, the 24/7 monitoring centre are monitoring the vehicle for movement without ignition, i.e. tow-away theft, or battery disconnect. S5 is movement without ignition and battery disconnect, and also driver recognition. So if the vehicle moves even with a valid key or a cloned key, if the card isn't present, the control centre will get an alert. They will alert the registered keeper to ensure that it's being driven by an authorised person. With this system on this particular vehicle, we've installed the S5 plus immobilisation, which basically gives all of the previous mentioned points, but includes engine immobilisation. So if the card's not present, the vehicle simply won't start. So if the key is stolen or cloned, the BMW key is stolen or cloned, the car just won't start without seeing this card. So I've got the card turned off for demonstration purposes. It's a Bluetooth card, so quite a slim little card. You can fit it in your wallet. It's got a little charging point there. It comes with a USB charger, so it's got batteries, internal battery, which you can recharge using the supplied charger. We supplied two cards with this particular system. This card's turned off, so I can show you the no start feature. So if I attempt to push the button, foot on the brake, push the button, start the car, we get engine start, not possible. Okay, so try that again, engine start, not possible. Okay, now simply grabbing hold of the card and switching it on by pressing the button on the back. Card's now activated, so that the tracking system on the vehicle can now see this card, and it sees it as an authorised start attempt when we try and start the vehicle again. So we'll press the button again, foot on the brake, press the button, engine starts and runs fine. Okay, so the system activates each time the ignition is switched off. The system will rearm, so the driver doesn't need to do anything, but as long as he's got this card with him, when he attempts to start the car will start as normal. No card, no start. Simple as that. Insurance approved, Thatcham category S5, which is currently the UK's highest insurance accreditation you can get for vehicle tracking and monitoring. Obviously with the added benefit of driver ID and engine immobilisation. Give us a call if you need to find out any more details. Compatible with many makes and models. Ready to install for your convenience and protection.